Hello, today I'm sharing with you my favorite hairstyle at the moment, the undone high bun. To help the hairstyle hold, apply your favorite texture spray throughout and gather your hair into a low ponytail and pull out your face framing pieces. Tightly hold the base of your ponytail with your left hand, and with your right, tightly twist your ponytail counterclockwise 2 times and bring it to the top of your head. Hold with your left hand and use your right hand to tuck your twist, making sure it feels tight. To secure, start at the bottom and slide the ends of your pins through your twist out to the right. Push them against your head and slide them in towards the left. Repeat at least 5 times and it should feel very secure. I'll link my how-to French pin tutorial below for you. For your ends, gently retwist them if they've come undone and loosely wrap counterclockwise to create a bun shape. You want your bun to sit high, right on top of your crown so you can see it from the front. Once you've brought your ends to the right of your twist, pull out any loose layers to add to that undone look. Then use bobby pins to secure your ends to the right side of your twist and to secure the bun at the top of your head. Now I have quite a blunt cut, so I used a comb to soften my ends, some more texture spray for more volume, and pinned up any ends that looked too heavy. How beautiful yet simple. It's truly the perfect hairstyle for any occasion. Now if you liked today's video, please give it a like and thank you so much for watching. Bye.